Coming up in this week's video, I look like I'm crying, like I look like I'm upset on the streets in Santa Cruz. So they're money pits. They're money pits. My dad always said it. Having a car is a money pit. All the future lemons that van life is gonna throw at me is gonna make me stronger. They did not do it correctly, so he had to take everything apart and put it back in. And yeah, it cost me. Okay, so I just dropped off the van at Renee's auto shop in Santa Cruz, and he needs a couple hours to diagnose it and use the scanner to see what's going on. But yeah, I don't think I was driving on the highway with the parking brake engaged because the car was driving really smoothly. So hopefully there's no damage that I did by driving it with the brake light on, but we'll see what happens. But for now, I'm just gonna go and try to find a place to walk to eat some breakfast. Oh my God, Trader Joe's! I miss Trader Joe's so much. I cannot wait to shop there again. When life gives you lemons, eat the lemons. They're good for you. They're full of vitamin C. They improve your immune system. I'm gonna take the lemon and know that this and all the future lemons that van life is gonna throw at me is gonna make me stronger. And that is how I'm gonna get through the day, and I'm gonna have a wonderful day regardless of what happens. Okay, we're in downtown Santa Cruz. Let's go find something to eat. Hopefully something is open because some of these places don't open until 11 and it is 10 o'clock right now. So I petted Bella again this morning because she's so cute, and my eyes are like, now it's this eye and it is watering and stinging. Like, I really want to own a dog like her one day because I love big dogs, but I got Archie because he's hypoallergenic. He doesn't shed, so I can put my face to him and snuggle and nothing happens. But with Bella, oh man, these allergies, I don't know, but she's worth it. She's totally worth it. I'm gonna pet her. I'm gonna pet her again, even though I look like I'm crying, like I look like I'm upset on the streets in Santa Cruz. So California sun is no joke. It is beating down my back. I'm not used to this. But my vitamin D levels are probably finally going up after months and months and months of virtually no sun in the East Coast. Okay, so which jam should I use? Got Concord grape jelly, orange marmalade, strawberry jam, blackberry jam. I think I'm gonna do all four. Okay, I crushed the toast and I tried all four jams, and my least favorite was the marmalade, the orange one, yuck. Grape jelly was the best one, hands down. And then I think it was strawberry, and then I think, the blackberry one wasn't that good, surprisingly. But yeah, grape jelly's where it's at. I'm almost done my breakfast and I don't know what I'm gonna do after. So I'm thinking just walk around downtown. Okay, so I was walking around downtown and I came across the Santa Cruz Mission. It's a state historic park. So I'm gonna learn about this specific mission in Santa Cruz. This is the oldest building in Santa Cruz. It's an Adobe style building, which you can tell because of how the walls look like that. It's like Adobe style. And there's 17 rooms originally, and there's 7 rooms left. The Adobe building style is so fascinating. It is pretty warm outside, but when you go into the Adobe housing, it feels nice and cool, like a cellar. So I'm just in front of the mission chapel, the church, and I learned that they actually had to move the entire mission because it was close to the river and it was getting flooded. So most of it's not the original like parts and things like that. But yeah, it's crazy to hear about how this entire region was once populated by all these tribes in the Ohlone tribe, and there are still natives that live in this part of California of the Ohlone people, but there's very few of them. And so to meet someone of native descent who was explaining like her passion and mission in life to share her culture with her children and with others was super inspiring. I got a call from Renee, my man Renee, over at the Renee Auto Shop, and he says that he needs to recalibrate the entire braking system in the rear, and he thinks that it might be it might fix the codes that they got, the electrical code and the motor. There's an issue with the motor in the rear, so that's gonna cost me like $300, and there's a good chance it won't even fix the issue because we might need to replace the motor itself and order parts also to fix the electrical. So this is gonna be very expensive. I can feel it already, but it's okay. Like this is part of getting a van. Like it's expensive and things break, and you know, it's just the nature of owning a car. They're money pits. My dad always said it. Having a car is a money pit. That is what I'm dealing with, but I'm very grateful to be here, and I'm just gonna keep walking around and explore more of the downtown Santa Cruz area.
Renee's Auto here.
Renee's the man. Go to
tried
Renee's
my best
Auto.
to put in the road back. Save some money.
Yeah. The warning light is gone. Okay, so I'm blasting the AC because it is really, really hot today. But Renee got it done in just a few hours, and he said that the mechanics at the dealership services did not put the brake, like the motor was not installed or something. They did not do it correctly, so he had to take everything apart and put it back in. And yeah, it cost me in total $450 to fix it. It's $150 to do the diagnostics, and then the rest $300 to do the recalibration. So yeah, I'm out of pocket like $455, but I'm really grateful that the issue didn't require a part to be ordered because all the dealerships are back ordered on the motor. So yay! So now I want to go and get an additional fob because the van only came with one. So we're gonna head over to Batteries Plus and try to get a replacement key fob. Okay, so it turns out that Batteries Plus bulbs does not program new key fobs, so you can't buy a new key fob, and they also won't program a new one that you get somewhere else. So I just ordered a key fob at Amazon, and I'm just gonna get it programmed in San Francisco on Friday. But yeah, so I think what I'm doing now is I'm gonna have dinner at this Indian restaurant called Ambrosia Indian Cuisine, and I haven't been here for like 2 years since I last had the van. So yeah, I thought I would get some Indian food for dinner tonight. I got a sizzling tandoori platter that has like 3 different types of meat. And then I got an arugula salad with this really good like dressing. I don't know how they made it, but hi, sunshine. Yeah. What happened? Huh? Did you want pets? I just washed my hands. Petted you for like an hour, dude. Okay, yes, you like it. It feels really nice. Yeah, you like it. Can you guys hear her purring? So cute. So cute. Well, I am back and I'm just gonna take a shower and just rest for the rest of the evening. It's finally starting to come together and it's starting to feel real, and I just couldn't be more excited than I am now. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video and I will see you next time. Bye.